Well, one day I was talking with my son, who's a fourth grader, and one of the schools in our school district was naming a plow for a city, and he was asking me about it, and suddenly dawned on me, hey, we have plows at work. Why don't we do the same thing? And that's kind of how the idea got started. We worked with Highline School District, which the school district around the airport, so I thought that was a really cool idea to get them involved. We have Snow Bro, Snow Dragon, and Powder Puff.